Hello guys, so let's get started. First, go on Google, type Canva, Canva. We will edit our photos here and go to login into your account. And if you haven't registered yet, register then login. Then you will see this screen. There are many templates you can see here. These may have one page or more than one pages templates, video templates, photo templates, many things. Okay, I'm just scrolling down to share with you. See, like here there are many options like what we want to create, for what. So there are posters, animated social media, logos, Instagram stories, Instagram post, cards, photo collage, business cards, invitation and all. So suppose I want to edit my photo for Instagram post, I'll just click on that. Then we'll see many templates here. You can choose according to your choice. I'm just scrolling. Okay, so I will choose this one. As you can see, there are 5 pages in this template, so I'll just edit this, and whichever I don't like, I'll just delete that, and I will edit. Okay, so here you can see there are many options, like you can delete this photo and add the another one, and transparency, crop and flip and all. Just click on the plus icon and type whatever photo you want to put in your design. I'll put this, then I'll just delete this one. I'll delete the element and font, whatever I don't want to put in my photo, I'll just delete that. Here I'll increase this. You can edit color of these also, like I'll show you how. Just click on this, go to color and change color according to your, change this also. Then go to effects. As you can see, there are many options to edit this photo. You can choose whichever you want to. I'll just hit and try. I'll choose whichever I want. Okay, I'll choose this one then. Apply. And yeah, you can adjust this photo also, and go to adjust, and you can bright, and you can saturate it, or you can blur it, or make noise in it and all. I think it's good. I'll just download it. At the top you can download this. Here all pages, you can select which page of the template you want to download, and then you can download also. Okay, download. That's it. Your design is prepared here. And if you want like to add photo from your device, you can add it. I'll show you in this template. Okay, just go to the plus icon, then to uploads, and you can choose your images, your videos, and on to add in your design. Okay, so I'll just choose one design and show you the demo. I'll just delete this one and place it over here. Okay, and you can edit this like we edited the previous one, and then go to styles. I'll show you how to edit the background, this one, and you can apply this change to all your pages or the individual one if you want to. Here there are many formats. Okay, and here you can choose effects for your photo and transparency and all everything. Okay, and this is what I've created with Canva. Thanks for watching.